I'm in the place to be.
Go ahead.
I'm in the place to be. And today we are doing the soda challenge.
The No Burping challenge.
Yep.
This challenge was created by Jaleel Odom. He is so hilarious. Remember all those burps he was doing? And Tasty Mukbang, she did big burps too. You guys might know Miss Tasty. She's always in Delightful D's comments. So shout out to Miss Tasty. Tasty Mukbang. Tasty Mukbang. Tasty Mukbang. Okay, so you ready? Amen. So Delightful D is drinking raspberry lime. And you don't have to do soda. A lot of people use soda, but JL said you could use sparkling seltzer water, and that's what we're using. And I am gonna do coconut, toasted coconut.
Ooh, dang, that's cool.
Look at all these bubbles.
Ooh, I did it too.
It smells good.
Ooh, mine smells cool too. Can I smell yours?
Yours smells good. Hers smells like raspberry lemonade. So the challenge is to go as far as you can without burping. So how far do you think you're gonna go?
I think I'm gonna go like right here.
You're gonna drink all the way down here without burping? Okay.
I don't really think I'm gonna pass. I'm going to this line.
You're gonna try to go to this line without burping? Okay. That's about a reasonable goal. Most people that did it, they did the 2 liters and they tried to go to the label or a little bit under the label. So we'll see. Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh.
The key is to not stop. Oh, it's cold. But it burns your throat.
Yes.
You lost. Okay, that one didn't count. Because that happened to me the first time I did it. Try to go is keep drinking until you can't drink anymore.
I let it out on accident.
And see if you can get a big old burp like he did. But try to go all the way down here. Drink it slow. That's the key, not to guzzle it. You're guzzling it. I'm gonna win.
Oh, wait.
I'm beating a little bit. Oh my gosh, this is so hard. Oh, how are you doing this? You really haven't even burped. You must got a big burp coming up. It hurts your throat. It's not hurting your throat? You just burped.
No, I left it in here.
Oh.
And look it, I'm almost there. I'm almost to my line.
Oh my gosh.
I'm under it.
You did though. You did. You did.
I want a challenge. Woo! I want a challenge. Woo! I want a challenge. Woo!
Oh my gosh, you guys.
Good job.
Thank you. I'm done. I can't drink anymore. You're still going?
water burp. Another water burp.
Can you do massive burps like JL and Miss Tasty did? I can't do it.
You have to wait.
I feel it coming up.
That's the same that you do all the time, not a big one. Do another water burp. Did you see it? You're like, ugh.
You're drinking a lot. It's burning my throat. She's down here, you guys. JL, I think he drank the whole bottle. It's like a liter. We'll tell him you did this challenge so he can come check it out.
Looks like a monster, like.
He even did a cereal mukbang. You can do some. Let me see if I can get some more burps.
You did it like me. Good one.
Ugh. I don't like it. Down here, you guys. She's right here. That's all she has left. You see?
See, just like Prissy P says, she lost the what challenge? You remember?
She lost several.
Mhm.
Because Ray always beats her.
Just like you always beat me.
And
Yeah,
this
but
is your comeback moment, huh?
Yes, payback time.
Payback time. You're supposed to not burp. Hold the burp in.
I heard that.
I swallowed it back down.
Yeah, it's gonna come back up.
I know.
But I don't want to hear it.
Maybe it's gonna be a earthquake burp. And shake the whole house. No. I know. Ew. That was a water one. You gotta see where she's at. Right here. She only has this much left. Yours smell good. They don't taste like much. But there's no sugar in here, so that's why we chose this. I feel it coming.
Spit it out. When SpongeBob, his friend Patrick Star, his burp was like, oh, it shook the whole thing.
Yeah. That's the kind of burp I was trying to get. It didn't come. You gotta swallow it. You gotta swallow the burp. When you think it's about to come up, you swallow it back down.
Wow, are you stuffed?
Yes, you did good, kid.
Thanks.
She's right here. So that's it. That's our, let's get a thumbnail. That's a little Delightful D's No Burp Challenge. Okay, sign up.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Oh.
Burp.